World War I changed everything. Before, armies fought on the ground, then came airplanes. At first, these flimsy flying machines were used for looking. Spies in the sky, they told armies where the enemy was hiding. But soon people realized airplanes could fight too. They put machine guns on them. Dogfights, battles in the air became common. Pilots like Manfred von Richthofen, the Red Baron, became legends. The war ended in 1918, but one thing was clear: the future of fighting would happen in the air too. After World War I, airplanes got better quickly. Wood and cloth gave way to metal. Engines became stronger. This meant planes could fly higher, faster and farther than ever before. Military leaders realized that airplanes could do more than just fight other airplanes. They could attack ground targets too. They could carry bombs to destroy enemy bases, factories and even cities. And so, different types of military aircraft were born. Fighters, bombers, reconnaissance planes and more. Each type had a special job to do. Fighter planes are like the hawks of the sky. They are fast, agile and deadly. Their job is to fight other planes and control the skies above a battlefield. Early fighters had open cockpits and machine guns. Today's fighters are technological marvels. They have powerful missiles, guided bombs, and even stealth technology that makes them hard to detect on radar. Some famous fighter jets include the American F-16 Fighting Falcon, the Russian MiG-29, and the Eurofighter Typhoon. These planes are flown by highly trained pilots ready to defend their countries from attack. If fighters are the hawks, then bombers are the eagles. They are large, powerful aircraft designed to carry and drop bombs on enemy targets. Bombers played a crucial role in World War II, attacking enemy factories, infrastructure and military installations. The American B-17 Flying Fortress and the British Avro Lancaster are two famous examples of World War II bombers. These planes flew long-range missions, facing heavy enemy fire to deliver their payloads. Today, bombers like the American B-2 Spirit and the Russian Tu-160 Blackjack are even more advanced. They can fly at supersonic speeds and carry both conventional bombs and nuclear weapons. Section 5. Eyes in the Sky, Reconnaissance and Surveillance. Not all military aircraft are designed to fight. Some are like the owls of the sky, watching and listening from above. These are reconnaissance and surveillance aircraft. These planes carry cameras, sensors and other equipment to gather information about the enemy. They can take pictures, intercept communications, and even detect enemy radar signals. Reconnaissance aircraft played a vital role during the Cold War, helping to prevent a nuclear conflict. Today, they are still essential for gathering intelligence and monitoring potential threats around the world. Section 6. The Unsung Heroes, Transport and Support Aircraft. Behind every successful military operation is a team of unsung heroes. Transport and Support Aircraft. These aircraft are the backbone of military logistics, ensuring that every mission has the resources it needs to succeed. These planes may not be as glamorous as fighters or bombers, but they are essential for moving troops, supplies and equipment. Without them, the front lines would be isolated and missions would falter. Transport aircraft come in all shapes and sizes. From small, agile planes to massive cargo carriers, each type has a specific role to play in the complex web of military operations. Some, like the C-130 Hercules, are designed to land on short, unpaved runways. This capability allows them to deliver supplies to remote and rugged locations where other aircraft cannot go. Others, like the massive C-17 Globemaster III, can carry tanks, helicopters and hundreds of soldiers. Its versatility and capacity make it a critical asset in large-scale operations. Support aircraft include tankers, which refuel other planes in mid-air, extending their range and allowing them to stay in the fight longer, and electronic warfare planes, which jam enemy radar and communications. These specialized aircraft protect other planes and ground forces from detection and attack. These planes play a vital role in ensuring that other aircraft can complete their missions successfully. Without the support of these essential aircraft, many military operations would be impossible to execute. Section 7. Legendary birds and the aces who flew them. Throughout the history of military aviation, certain aircraft and pilots have become legends. These legendary birds and the aces who flew them have left an indelible mark on the annals of aviation history. Their stories of courage, skill and daring continue to inspire us today. These pilots not only mastered their aircraft but also pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in the skies. Chuck Yeager, an American test pilot, was the first person to break the sound barrier in level flight. His achievement marked a significant milestone in aviation history. He did it in 1947, flying the experimental Bell X-1 rocket plane. This daring feat opened the door to supersonic flight and changed the future of aviation forever. The Messerschmitt Bf 109, a German fighter plane from World War II, was flown by some of the Luftwaffe's most skilled pilots. It became a symbol of aerial combat during the war. It was a formidable opponent, known for its speed and maneuverability. The Bf 109's design and performance made it a feared adversary in the skies. The SR-71 Blackbird, an American reconnaissance aircraft, was one of the fastest and highest flying planes ever built. Its capabilities were unmatched during its time of service. It could fly at over 3 times the speed of sound and reach altitudes of over 85,000 feet. The SR-71's advanced technology and design allowed it to perform reconnaissance missions with unparalleled efficiency and speed, making it a true marvel of aviation engineering. Section 8. Did you know? Fun facts about military aviation. Military aviation has a rich and fascinating history that spans over a century. Here are some fun facts about military aviation that you might find intriguing and surprising. The first aerial bombing mission in history took place in 1911 during the Italo-Turkish War. This marked a significant milestone in the use of aircraft in warfare. An Italian pilot named Giulio Gavotti dropped hand grenades on Turkish troops from his airplane. This daring act changed the course of military strategy forever. The largest military aircraft in the world is the Antonov An-225 Mriya, a Ukrainian cargo plane. This behemoth of the skies is truly a marvel of engineering. It has a wingspan of over 290 feet and can carry over 600 tons of cargo. Imagine the sheer size and power required to lift such a massive load. The fastest manned aircraft ever built was the North American X-15, an experimental rocket plane. This aircraft pushed the boundaries of speed and altitude. It reached a speed of over 4,500 miles per hour, or Mach 6.7. This incredible speed allowed it to fly to the edge of space. These are just a few of the many interesting and amazing facts about military aviation. The history of military aviation is filled with innovation, bravery, and technological advancements that continue to shape the world today. Section 9. Military aviation today, still soaring high. Military aviation has come a long way since the Wright brothers made their first flight in 1903. Today, it is more important than ever before. Military aircraft play a vital role in defending countries from attack, conducting surveillance, and providing humanitarian aid. They are used in a wide range of operations, from combat missions to peacekeeping efforts. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable military aircraft in the future. These aircraft will continue to play a vital role in shaping the future of warfare and maintaining global security.